Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today I was sent another product from a vendor, and the product was free, and this is a paid review. Let's get right to it, shall we? So I was sent a floor lamp. It's a tricolor dimming, so I believe, we'll find out, but I believe the lamp actually dims to 3 different colors. So that's kind of cool. Let's find out. It is packed in here hard. Looks like we got some instructions, always important. If you've watched any of my videos at all, you know I love instructions.